Hello everyone, welcome to our Year 3 Meet the Teacher slideshow. I'm Mr. White.
I'm Mr. Powell, and we're also joined with Mrs. Brewer as part of 3PW.
I'm Mrs. Dixon.
And I'm Mr. Woods, and we're the teachers in 3OW.
Homework in Year 3 is given each Friday. It will usually be completed on Mathletics. It'll need to be ready by the following Wednesday. The children can change their reading books whenever they need to. They'll be expected to read their colour-banded book at least 3 times per week. I know that a lot of people will read it more than that, and we encourage the children to read as much as possible. With the unsettled year that they had last year, reading at home really is the most important thing you can do.
On the next slide, you'll see the statutory spellings that the children need to learn in Year 3 and cover in Year 4. In school, we'll do lots of spelling practice and we'll use in different methods, and we'll do ongoing informal spelling tests throughout the year.
Similarly to lower down school, children will have a reading record. It is the child's responsibility to complete their section in the comments at least 3 times a week. This is on the left-hand side. Please can parents also add their initials once they've read with their child on the right-hand side. It needs to be in school every day with their home reader book, and this is because we use the home readers for reading in school with the adults as well.
The reading book bands in Key Stage 2 are different to the Key Stage 1 ones. For example, it goes Brown 8 to Brown 11. So when your child is ready, they'll be moved on to the Key Stage 2 book band colours, which start at brown. In Year 3, your child is expected to meet Grey 13 to meet the reading requirements.
The same as last year, your child will receive a merit if they do any outstanding work or attitude or show an outstanding attitude, and this will be recorded in their reading records at the front. If they receive 25 merits, they'll receive the bronze certificate. 50 merits, they'll receive the silver. If they get 75 merits, they'd get the gold, or if anybody gets 100 merits in a year, they would get the platinum certificate.
Uniform hasn't changed, so during a normal school day, children will need to wear school uniform, including black school shoes. And on our PE days, which is Wednesday, the PE kit should be a plain black or navy blue tracksuit with a plain white t-shirt and trainers, shorts if weather permitting. Please cover earrings with plasters on this day, or ideally, you can remove them before coming to school. That would be brilliant.
The topics that we'll be discussing in Year 3, in autumn we'll be learning about the Stone Age to the Iron Age with a history focus. In spring we will be doing Spain for geography, which also ties in nicely with our Spanish lessons. And in the summer it will be Ancient Egypt, again with a history focus. The science focuses through the year will be rocks, light, animals including humans, magnets and forces, and plants.
The theme weeks for this year: in autumn, we will be doing Philosophy for Children. In spring, the Alcott's Literature Festival. And in summer, we've got an Art and DT focus, which is Express Yourself.
In the autumn term this year, we're going to be reading The Stone Age Boy. We've actually just finished reading that, and we are starting to read The Iron Man. And in maths, we are starting to learn by learning about place value of 3-digit numbers, and then we'll move on to addition and subtraction methods.
In maths, we practice our key instant recall facts, also known as KERFs. There are quite a few, but the ones that are most important are the 3, 4, and 8 times tables that will start when we do multiplication, and our addition and subtraction facts for number pairs to 100.
Okay, so you can access Mathletics, which is an interactive maths website. The children should have their login and password in the front of their planners, and they can also access Times Table Rockstars to practice their times tables.
Here are some of the ways you can support your child at home. Ensure they complete their Mathletics homework each week. Ensure they read to you at least 3 times a week and it's recorded in their reading record. They can also access Times Table Rockstars to improve their times table speed and accuracy. And also, just a good idea to keep checking the Year 3 class page of the school website for more information about what your child has been up to.
And lastly, we'd just like to let you know about Friends of Waterloo. So it's our Parent-Teacher Association. They would usually organise fundraising events throughout the year. At the moment, due to the current circumstances, meetings and events are on hold. So they are trying to find ways of organising virtual meetings, and we'll send out more information soon. If you're interested in being part of Friends of Waterloo, then you can contact Rachel Harding, the chair, on the email below, or you can find them on Facebook. Thank you very much. If you have any further questions, you can speak to the teacher at the end of the school day, or you could email the info@waterloo.ourcoatsmap.org. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.